So for this dish, you're going to need 2 cups of white rice, 3 cups of stock of your choice. It can be vegetable or chicken, olive oil, bell pepper, celery, onions, garlic, andouille sausage, bay leaf, and green onion. And then I'll do more later. So this is the andouille sausage. Frying this up in the pan. I'm browning it in a little bit of olive oil. You don't have to have andouille. You could use spicy ground beef or chorizo, but something with some kick. And then you want to add your Trinity mix after you browned it. That's the bell pepper, the celery, and the onion. You just want to cook that till it's, just starting to brown. And then you add your minced garlic. And you're going to continue to cook all of those until they're nice and golden brown and sweat it out. You want those juices to get into the pan and flavor your dish. So this could take anywhere from about 4 to 6 minutes. And after you do that, you're going to add your chopped mushrooms. And normally in a traditional Cajun dish like this, you would add like some organ meat or chicken livers, but we're not doing that today. We're doing this California style and keeping it kind of light. And if you want it to be vegan, you could double up on the mushrooms and just omit the meat and just use extra Cajun seasoning. Alright, so everything is getting pretty nice and brown, and the juices are being sweated out of the meat into the pan, and so now we can start adding our seasoning. And that's, let's see, what did I add? I forget. Thyme, oregano, some garlic salt, and paprika. So we put that in there and let that toast up a little bit. And now we have all the main ingredients for our dish, and we can add our rice. And so now the rice is in there. We can toast that up just a little bit. We don't have to do too much, but we want to distribute it all throughout the pan because we're going to let this just cook for about 13 to 16 minutes in the pan. We're not going to be stirring it and tending to it. We're just going to put in the chicken broth and get everything stirred up this one time. And once it starts bubbling and the rice is nice and heated, then we can throw in the last of our chicken broth and add some more seasoning because we want layers of seasoning. So this time we add the green onion to it. And the green onion is gonna add a little bit of a kick and kind of change the flavor, make it more Cajun. I wouldn't go with any less than like a half a cup. I use a lot of green onion. It brings a lot of flavor to the dish. And stir that in there. Remember, the rice is still not cooked. This is uncooked rice. So we want to get it in the pan real good and hit it off with just a little bit more broth. Make sure it's everything's wet, saucy. And then our last spice we're going to add is the bay leaf. You can add 1 or 2 of those and kick it up another notch. Going to bring some more flavor. Now after we put this top on, we're probably only going to touch it maybe once. We're just going to let it cook for about 13 minutes. Again, this is just what's in the dish: andouille sausage, mushrooms, spices, chicken broth, garlic, and our Trinity. Okay, and the Trinity was celery, onion, and bell pepper. You can go red, orange, yellow, doesn't matter. And this is our finished dish. So, I said before, traditional dirty rice has chicken livers or organ meat in it. We skipped that and just went with a nice spicy sausage to bring a lot of flavor to this dish. You don't even need to have anything else. Maybe just a piece of bread. I've never done a voiceover on a video before, so I hope you find this helpful.